feeling the hurts of others. He that loveth his brother abideth in the light. 1 John chapter 2 verse 10. This age in which we live could hardly be described as conducive to a sensitiveness of the needs of others. We have developed a veneer of sophistication and hardness. Abraham Lincoln once said, characteristically, "I am sorry for the man who can't feel the whip when it is laid on the other man's back." Much of the world is calloused and indifferent toward mankind's poverty and distress. This is due largely to the fact that for many people there has never been a rebirth. The love of God has never been shed abroad in their hearts. Many people speak of the social gospel as though it were separate and apart from the redemptive gospel. The truth is, there is only one gospel. We must be redeemed, we must be made right with God before we can become sensitive to the needs of others. Divine love, like a reflected sunbeam, shines down before it radiates out. Unless our hearts are conditioned by the Holy Spirit to receive and reflect the warmth of God's compassion, we cannot love our fellow men as we ought. Prayer for the day. Help me to feel another person's hurt and be concerned, Father, so that I may shed the light of your love in an uncaring world.